Alright, what's up everyone? How's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan.
My name's Kevin.
My name's Dylan.
My name's Kevin.
Today we are doing a reaction video. We just did another one. I think we're gonna start doing this as like a series because I'm running out of content ideas. But today we are basically reacting to crazy Uber rides together. I have pulled up, I'm gonna play them and we can watch them together. I've never seen them.
I've never seen that either.
So yeah, we thought it'd be interesting, or more interesting, if we both watch them together for the first time. And then as we're watching, you can comment down below, like your reactions,
as well, yeah.
And put the timestamp, like put the minute and the second, yeah. so I can know like which clip you're referring to. But I'm gonna get into that in a second. But I also wanted to ask you guys, like, we have like our own like custom car fresheners. This is what they look like. If you guys, they're not for sale, but the company, a company did make them for me, and I was thinking about maybe making like a limited supply available, like, I don't know, 20 available for you guys. They're really cool. They're like, it's this company called AeroTags. This is not a sponsor at all. I just literally want to ask you guys if you'd be interested. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. If you guys want one of these like for free, just let me know in the comment section. Maybe we can make them available. But this is how it works. It's like these things last forever. Yeah. Like most car fresheners, you buy one, then it runs out of smell and you throw it away. Yeah. This one, you just put a couple drops of oil on it, like every couple weeks, and this thing will last you like a year. So
a lot.
Yeah, and this thing, I bought mine for 20 bucks on Amazon, and then I liked it so much I shouted them out in like one of my videos for free, and then they saw it and then was like, oh, do you want a custom one? I was like, heck yeah. So let me know if you guys want that. Again, this is not sponsored at all, but AeroTags is the company. They're super cool. But yeah, if you guys want a free one, or if you would buy one, let me know. It's probably gonna be like 20 bucks though, because these things do last like a year. It's not like,
they're pretty useful, so I think it's worth it.
It's not like, you know, you're getting some cheapo thing and you're gonna throw it away after a week. So
like those Christmas tree ones. Like,
yeah, those are so bad. I mean some of them do smell fine, but
some are okay. But
yeah, so anyways, we are gonna get into the video now.
Let's do it.
Let's get this thing going. Before it starts, give this video a thumbs up. If you drive for Uber or for Lyft, give the video a thumbs up, so that way you'll be notified anytime that we post another video. Or I think you need to subscribe too. Is that how it works?
Yeah, you do.
Subscribe. Oh yeah,
subscribe. Press the little bell button.
The post notifications. Yeah. That is actually really important. So YouTube will notify you when I do post. You'll know exactly when I post.
It doesn't even come up, so that's...
Yeah, and I post a lot, so that way, you know, you don't miss any videos. Okay, let's get into the video. How was your week, by the way, Kevin? You doing all right?
I'm doing great, bro.
Let me know how you guys are doing. I really do care. A lot of you guys have been texting me and calling me recently. Sorry I haven't been getting...
Slight invasion of privacy.
Sorry.
It's totally cool.
Yeah, I haven't answered anyone's calls, if you guys have noticed, but I do answer your texts sometimes because that's easier. I don't know how many I'll use. I'll probably just pick the craziest ones. Again, we haven't seen these yet, so. UC TV.
UC Berkeley.
What's going on, people? This is Ultimate Content TV.
Shocking Uber rides, mate.
It's clearly a massive thing in the US and Canada, so if you enjoy the video, please subscribe for more and like or dislike the video depending on your opinion.
Merch, guys.
Peace.
You are at the hospital. The administration is right here.
I'm going to the emergency room, sir.
Get in there.
Where?
Get out of my car now.
Where is my
Get out
destination?
of my car now.
Sir, I'm asking
Get
you.
out of my car now. I have the right to tell you when you get out of my car right now.
I don't know where I am. I'm asking you where is my destination. If you will kindly point at where I am.
Pulled into your destination. It said here on
Oh, Jesus.
Get out of my car now.
Angry.
Get out of my car now.
Sir, it said.
Get out of my car.
I would just get out.
Yeah, just leave. Just leave. Who cares?
That's dumb.
Get out of my car.
But you're not to yell at me.
Just get out.
You are not to yell at me.
911.
Do it. Do it.
He's calling 911.
Do it.
What? Just get out of the car.
Just get out. At that point?
Where is
Yeah,
my
well,
Get
What's the
out
point
of
of-
my car.
Sir, can you just tell
Get
me?
out of my car
Oh my.
now.
Sir, can you please tell me where?
Okay,
my
he's gonna like hit her. Is he gonna drag her out? He's gonna drag her out.
Get out of the car.
Oh my
Can you
gosh.
please tell me where my destination is?
Now. The ride is over. You have been extremely rude, extremely condescending this
How
whole
have I
At least we got some background.
Yeah.
Way too long. You showed up and told me you were in a hurry when you showed no actual effort to be in a hurry. Get out of my car now.
Oh
Get
my.
out of my car now.
I don't know where I am.
I'm like,
Now.
dude.
Sir,
Get out of my car.
You can just leave. What's the point of
Get
saying
out
that?
of my car. It is my property.
Alright. Might have to bleep that part out there.
Now.
Oh my gosh.
you are facing
Get out right now.
You are
Jeez.
Say-
I'm facing a moron.
Oh my god.
Now.
I have never seen this. Have you ever seen this?
Dude, no, nothing even
You
close.
have no right to scream at me.
I will talk to you.
Technically does that.
Wait, let's pause really quick. How many stars do you think that driver's gonna get? from
-5.
Is he gonna get a 5-star rating from the passenger?
The lady's probably gonna be so scared.
Oh no,
she's
what's
not
the
gonna-
driver gonna rate the passenger though?
Oh,
Probably 5 stars.
5 stars casual.
That's
Whoa. Maybe we should just go to the next one.
let's finish. I can edit it out. It's fine.
Really?
Yes, and I have the right.
Is that me?
You have the right to scream at me?
Get out of my car!
You have the right to scream at me.
I have asked you to leave my car multiple times.
Technically
And
does,
I am
right?
asking
What?
you in a
Get
very
Have the right to
polite
scream at her?
manner, where am I?
You're at a hospital where
Where?
you need to be. Get out of my car!
How long is this?
Can you get her out of my
Okay,
car,
it's almost
please?
done. Okay.
Where is the emergency room?
Wow.
On the other side?
Get out of my car!
Dude, just leave, lady.
Oh, just
Okay. Shh.
Captured the moment an Uber driver crashed.
Oh, wait, okay. Okay, sorry. I just wanted to pause it in between. We don't want to talk over the video.
Yeah. That's
So-
what happened last time.
What are your reactions on that first one?
I want to just know what happened before. Like, clearly something happened. She kept
Like-
asking what her destination was. I don't understand.
Okay, from what I got is that he took her to the hospital or whatever.
Yeah.
And that was her destination in the app.
Yeah.
But then she wanted
To go
she
somewhere
wanted
else,
him to drive her around to the other side of the entrance or something.
Mm.
And he was just like, "We're here, get out." Like she was probably being rude to her. So
Yeah.
he was like, "No, I don't need, like, we're here already.
Yeah.
I don't want to, like, keep driving you." So if you ever get into that situation,
I'll probably just leave.
I mean, if I was a driver, I would probably just take her to, like,
yeah.
I mean, I don't know.
It's that much of an inconvenience.
I mean, she didn't seem that rude, to be honest.
She was very like insisting.
She was very, like, yeah, insisting. But
I would have maybe got a little upset if she kept saying that, but I would be like maybe.
Okay, this guy. Okay, I don't know if this next one's an Uber driver, but it's Uber's. It says Uber taxi rides. But, so let's see what this next one.
in the title, I think.
Yeah. Well, it might be Uber or a taxi, I guess, or maybe that's Uber taxi. I don't know. All right, let's watch the next one.
Oh God.
Truly shocking surveillance video captured the moment an Uber driver crashes into an
Oh my gosh.
Oh
causing
God.
a fiery explosion right
Okay.
there. Witnesses say the SUV went airborne.
I don't even know if that guy's
through a
alive.
parking lot, barreled into a Shell gas station in Seattle, Washington.
Not, dude.
The crash involved a 60-year-old Uber driver who was carrying a 40-year-old passenger.
What? 16-year-old? Or did he say 60? Wait.
Wait, 60.
Curved through a parking lot, barreled into a Shell gas station in Seattle, Washington. The crash involved a 60-year-old Uber driver.
60, I guess.
who was carrying a 40-year-old
Wait,
passenger.
so
Because you have to be 20 now.
Cause of that crash. That's gonna be
Yeah, and I guess that the driver is now in serious condition. So we'll
He's alive?
look at that video. Good thing.
Yeah, I guess he's alive.
Do not order that on the app, so our best.
That one's not going to be available anymore.
Do not.
That one's not gonna be available.
Wait, he said do not order that on the app.
Yeah,
Was he trying to make a joke?
I think so.
That's dude.
That was
Don't make a
messed up.
joke at that point.
That's messed up.
I'm okay.
I wonder what happened. How does it?
If you were watching this, the driver, I hope you're okay. That's insane. That's
Yeah,
crazy.
that was-
I don't know how
I
would
wish I knew all these
honestly he might
backstories.
have had like a heart attack while he's driving and
Maybe,
couldn't.
yeah.
You know how some
I mean,
people have a seizure. Some people do like they can't control,
That's true.
or his brake went out.
He could have like passed out and his
Because that was like, if you're driving Uber, you're not getting into an accident like that. Like
how does that make any sense?
he probably
for someone
had
to go
like
that?
okay. So all right, let's watch the next one.
I'm not saying. You understand me? Yes, I understand. Okay, so stop it with your mouth. Okay. Stop it with your for what, sir? Okay. Stop it with that. And realize the 3 vehicle traffic law violations you committed. Okay. Okay? Do you understand me? Yes, I don't know what planet you think you're on right now.
Lots of bleeps.
Planet? It's a planet.
I said
I'm not planet.
I'm not any planet.
I was trying to see if it got demonetized. I probably need to edit
All
it.
right. You understand me? Pull over.
What?
I have this on video in case you want to.
You have?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
In case you need to submit.
Oh, is there two?
I think it's like a
Yes,
pool.
you're
It
gonna
sounds
listen to
like.
I'll give you my card.
Thank you so much.
No, that's crazy. That's really inappropriate.
Is that somebody outside talking to him?
Yeah, he left. The guy recording is the one who's like, oh yeah. I'm recording.
No, it's not your fault. Listen, it's not your fault.
It's a pool, right?
It's this guy's just a dick. To put it mildly.
Pretty much. Okay.
I mean, he shouldn't be slamming your car. He shouldn't be slamming your car door.
Should I rewind it? Go back.
Things
For the
around.
guy yelling.
He doesn't have a right to open your door.
We heard
Like,
him. I don't understand. I wish we got some backstory on all of these.
under arrest. I think he's just on a power trip right now.
Should I go to the next one?
Because you want.
Should I go to the next
Because
one?
he didn't have a blinker on.
I have no idea what I did that makes you call it.
But you are, and you're white. And I'm glad it's one of the things.
Shoot.
Why
These are
is it one of
intense.
the things?
She says, "Oh, because you're white."
Like,
I literally rolled down the window because the air
I don't
freshener
like
was
nobody
too strong.
touching my. Be quiet, man. Let me drop you off.
Oh, he's the passenger.
Thank you. Thank you.
I
Roll
literally,
up on people like me, your attitude stink. I don't like it. I don't this guy. I don't.
Okay.
rolled down the
we're
window.
gonna have to edit this.
You know, I didn't argue with you.
Do you want to do
Okay.
another video?
Alright,
I know you're kind, man.
what's my time?
Dude, this is like.
You're kind. You're kind.
Well, I'll get you back.
I mean, this is real. This is what
I
people
know.
deal with. I feel like we should keep the raw truth out there for people. I don't personally like watching these kinds of
I feel
videos,
so uncomfortable right now.
but like, this is what happens. You know? This stuff actually is real. That's
I know.
the craziest thing.
Not clickbait.
We should try to wrap this video up because I know people have things to do.
15 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh, take it right here.
Oh, this. Okay, let's. Okay, I don't want to watch the rest of that one, but this next one, I have seen this clip before.
Okay.
And the next clip,
Uh-oh.
this girl got fired. She was a doctor and she got fired from her job, or she was a lawyer or something. She kicks she's like drunk and she kicks her Uber driver's door. She's like kicking the door, and her work, like the video went viral, and her job fired her, and she had like $100,000 like a year job. So
She's
we,
drunk?
I think so. Let's watch it. I did hear this story because it was like viral.
Yeah, call 911. Oh yeah.
I don't
Call
know.
911. It's an Uber meltdown. A woman attacks an Uber driver for refusing to give her a ride.
Oh, she was actually hitting him.
Yeah, seriously, yeah, get some help. Then she tries to knee him in the you-know-what.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
You may be surprised.
I mean, yeah, he's doing self-defense.
Does for a living. She's a have
Yeah,
a doctor.
she's a doctor.
Resident who specializes in headaches. On Facebook, she posts pictures of herself at work in scrubs with a stethoscope and also in a sexy bikini. It all started after the doctor showed it.
Why did they need to include that?
Passenger who had ordered it first. The video was taken by that passenger. After kneeing the driver.
Oh yeah, you can see his door. Oh yeah, she gets back in his car. Oh, and then I think she throws his papers or something.
Sarcastically mocks him.
I'm a 5-foot girl that weighs 108 pounds.
Then get out of his car. Yeah.
Her tantrum continues. She throws whatever she can find.
That's from his glove compartment. Oh my gosh.
Bro, you lost your mind.
Look at his car. She did that, I'm pretty
She
sure.
even tosses scissors at the driver.
Scissors?
This is just
Oh.
the latest video of a passenger going nuts on an
That could have like hit him.
That's the end of today's video. Are these situations pretty common in the
When you get drunk and tell your Uber driver, hold on, sorry. Sorry, my camera's literally about to die, but let me know your thoughts down below. This was pretty insane. We'll probably do more of these videos.
Yeah.
Maybe some different style of content. I don't know.
Yeah. This was like extreme.
Yeah, this was like on the extreme side.
It's like real.
I don't have any of this kind of footage on my channel, but what were you gonna say?
No, I'm just saying it's like what you said before. It's like real. Like, it actually happened. It's crazy.
Yeah, I don't personally like watching this stuff,
No.
but I mean, every once in a while, I think it's like just to show the raw truth. So, all right, guys, that's it for today's video. Give this video a thumbs up if you want me to. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, smash the thumbs up button. Again, if you guys are interested, let me know if you guys would want one of these car fresheners. They're pretty dope. So,
Pretty nice. Yeah.
but I don't know. Maybe I'm the only one who thinks so. So let me know. And
I also think so.
yeah, or if you want us to do more of these reaction videos, and let me know what you guys think of those crazy videos.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. Any final words?
I don't think I'm gonna ever take Uber again after watching that. So
Yeah.
I'll talk to you. Just kidding. Yeah.
We are walking from now on. So.
Yeah.
No,
It's over. Just kidding.
No, there are some really good Uber drivers watching this video.
I
as
feel like
well.
most of them.
I'm a pretty good Uber driver. What do you think? Actually, my friends make fun of me when I drive because they're like, "You drive like an Uber driver." I'm like, "Yeah, no duh," because I drive super slow and like safe, and I'm always like, when the light turns green, I'm like
barely.
all my friends are like, because I'm just used to taking passengers and like keeping a car really safe. So.
Yeah.
Anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. Talk to you guys all soon. Let me know where you're watching this from and if you drive for Uber or for Lyft. And let me know your name. Because why not? That's the first thing we should know if we want to introduce ourselves. So,
Right.
Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Talk to y'all soon. Have a good one. Later.
See ya.
Peace.